In a life that got it oh so dark, a life that falls apart. My heart been torn apart, I've been torn apart. I'm a fucking loner and I'm for life. I probably never change, even though I like to. Even though I like to, I probably never change nothing, my dear. Take me to Neverland.
Yeah, my hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs hurt, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and get your ass dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence of this. I will not quit, man, I'm on it, honest. I'm gon' launch quick, I'm on it. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb. And under my prime, just quit my 9 to 5. I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's working, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the show. I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Front row, here I go. All these people want to know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's invaded, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate and real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive. And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Front row, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real time. Talk about the real climb, passionate and real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive. And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Let's go.
I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion in depths when it happens. Factions take actions, drafting their captains. It's happening. I'm raising my status, facing the madness. I'm out gaining traction, avoiding the distractions. I'm snapping, no captions, attracting reactions, adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits. I don't fucking ask bitch, I just fucking grab it. I am never static.
In a life that got it oh so dark, a life that falls apart. My heart been torn apart, I've been torn apart. I'm a fucking loner and I'm for life. I probably never change, even though I like to. Even though I like to, I probably never change nothing, my dear. All my insecurities holding me near. Probably never change for nothing, my dear. All my insecurities holding me near.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है एक सेकंड यार मजाक हो रहा है
I mean I don't wanna die, I just wanna feel alive. Maybe life get a chance to feel alive, but people still only get one chance. Work hard to try and find a life. Find a life, in a life that got it goes so dark, a life that falls apart. My heart been torn apart. I've been bleeding on the inside, I'm torn apart. Can I get a chance to go back to the start? Tell me pretty lies. Look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.